Kia ora, I'm Nava Fadayev, a climate scientist with Earth Sciences New Zealand. Climate change is happening now. Rising seas are causing flooding and erosion. Aotearoa's glaciers are melting, and extreme weather events are becoming more common. The recent rise in global temperatures is largely driven by the buildup of gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere, which trap heat and warm the planet. As our planet warms, we need to plan for future changes to adapt and thrive. Although climate change seems daunting, understanding what lies ahead helps us find solutions and new opportunities. In this video, we will explore how climate change may impact the Bay of Plenty. We look at two possible futures based on different social, economic, and technological trends. These shared socio-economic pathways, or SSPs, considered questions like when will the world population peak and will economic growth rely on fossil fuels or renewable energy? One future is a path where our current development patterns continue with a gradual reduction in fossil fuel dependency. The other path focuses on rapid economic growth, prolonging fossil fuel use. While change is inevitable irrespective of the pathway, strong local and global efforts can limit the worst effects and help us adapt. New Zealand has warmed by about 1 degree over the past century, and this warming will continue. By the end of this century, the average temperature in the Bay of Plenty could rise by about 4 degrees under the fossil fuel development pathway, or about 2 degrees under the middle of the road pathway. While these numbers may appear small, these changes shift the climate system and lead to more extreme weather. Some places will warm more than others, affecting natural resources, farming, and encouraging the spread of pests. However, warmer temperatures may also allow new crops to be grown in the Bay of Plenty. Increasing average temperatures also means that extreme temperatures will become more common. Tauranga currently has about 24 hot days a year. By mid-century, this could increase by 28 days, and by the end of the century by 56 days under the middle of the road pathway. Under the fossil-fueled path, the increase is even more pronounced, with an extra 111 hot days for Tauranga. As you can see on the map, there is a large variation in the number of hot days across the region. More hot days are likely to impact our physical and mental health and lead to increased energy use for cooling. Seasonal rainfall patterns are likely to change in the Bay of Plenty. Autumn in particular looks to be drier than present. Overall, total annual rainfall may decrease across the region, but extreme rainfall events will likely become more intense and more common. This is because a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture, and this will be most apparent for short duration events like intense thunderstorms, but we will also see increased rain totals and intensities during events like ex-tropical cyclones. With these changes in rainfall, our roads will be more vulnerable to floods, slips, coastal erosion, and storm surges. Understanding these changes can help us design more resilient infrastructure. At the other end of the spectrum, longer dry spells are expected, which, combined with higher temperatures, will increase drought risk. This will put a strain on freshwater reserves, particularly in summer when streams will increasingly run dry. Sea level rise is certain regardless of any reduction in emissions. This is a major concern for coastal communities and infrastructure. Coastal flooding and erosion are likely to become more common, as well as saltwater intrusion to low-lying groundwater reserves. Depending on the climate change pathway, 0.5 metre of sea level rise is projected to occur between 2075 and 2105, and 1 metre of sea level rise is likely between 2110 and after 2150. This could be catastrophic in many coastal regions, particularly when combined with storm surges or tsunamis, due to increased flooding, severe erosion, and damage to infrastructure and ecosystems. We've discussed 2 possible pathways for our future, and there are others. While we don't know which will happen, understanding the possibilities helps us prepare and prosper. The climate change information available on Bay of Plenty Regional Council's website is there to support discussions across businesses, landowners, tangata whenua, and the wider community working together with the different layers of government to build resilience and adapt to climate change.